Hello, my name is Macaulay Gowan and I'm a PhD researcher at the University of Hull's Centre of Excellence for Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Modelling, otherwise known as DAIM. Today I'm joined by Winifred, who's going to be talking to us about her project. Would you care to introduce yourself, Winifred?
Hi, my name is Winifred Njagweni and I just concluded my research project, which is on the title Explaining Errors in Machine Learning Models.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So to start, could you give us a brief overview of your project and its central objectives?
Okay, so my project, like I said, is on explaining errors in models, and the main objective of the project is to determine if machine learning models, if the errors made by machine learning models can be explained using some existing explainable AI tools, you know, in the field of explainable AI. So it's not just about using machine learning models to perform tasks, but when these models make mistakes, can we actually explain the errors made by these models? Yeah.
Fantastic. It's a very important work.
Yeah,
as
very
well.
important.